All right, today I am working on this 2025 Subaru Outback. This is the same from 2020 up to 2025. We're gonna be doing the engine air filter. So we gotta pop this guy off. Looks intimidating, but it is super easy. So let's jump into it. First thing we're gonna do is pop these out. And the way these guys work is you turn them 90 degrees and they'll pop up. So I just turned that from here to here. Then we'll slip this underneath, and it's a little bit easier when you have a full-on screwdriver, but this guy works. So the head has popped up. I'll give you a close-up of this. So yeah, this little mechanism, this turns 90 degrees, and then you can pry it up and the whole thing comes out. We're gonna do the same thing over up here. And do the same thing, turn 90 degrees. Then we use our tool, pry that up, and then the whole thing will come out. So we have those two things out. Then we're gonna pull this up, and it wants to hold on right here. So just pull close to the airbox, and then this we can just set to the side. Then we can open our airbox. That's these two clips here. All right, so once we get those clips undone, you can pull this back. We can reach in here, grab our air filter, pop that guy out. Another thing that I like to do is throw a date on it, month and year, so you know how old it is. For this, I'm just throwing this one back in here. This one's still good to go. I'll put a link in the description for the air filter. That sinks up here, and we clip here. Boom. And then we're gonna line this. This guy needs to line up and go. This part fits actually inside of here. So that guy goes here. And there we go. Then we're gonna line up our next bolts here. So you'll see the hole, make sure it's lined up. Sometimes they get misaligned and these guys will not go in. When you put these guys in, make sure they're popped out. This can be a real pain in the butt to get back into the lineup and get back into here. So you kind of have to like wiggle it around. There we go. Then just push down and that's it. You don't have to turn it. This will just sink into here. Then we got our next one we're gonna put in over here. So I got our next one ready. The head of this bolt's up here. This guy goes into here. And if it doesn't slide in easy, you just have to finagle it till it goes. And this actually can come all the way out. But sometimes spinning it at the same time as pushing it in works too. And then pop that into place, and you should be able to tug on this and not have it come out. Cool, so that's how you change an air filter on a 2025 Subaru Outback. This is the same from 2020 up to 2025, 6th generation. Next year, a new generation will come out, and it'll be completely different. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.